question from one of my students, which is another really good question, and it always comes up in GCSE examination questions. It's about angles in polygons. Okay, they are saying the size of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 11 times the size of each exterior angle. Work out how many sides the polygon has. So one thing special about regular polygons, we're going to talk about regular polygons. There's something special about them. What do we know about regular polygons is all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. And all the angles are equal. All the angles are equal. Okay, this is particularly helpful because if we for example, if we find the size of one exterior angle, we can easily work out the size of the number of the sides, or we can work out the size of interior angle and vice versa. There are other important factors that we need to know about polygons in general. So in general, we know in fact number one, in polygons, let me just scroll up. Okay, in general, we know that sum of exterior angles in any polygon is 360 degrees. There is a fantastic video on Maths is Fun. They show how the sum of exterior angles in any polygon can equal to 360. I will add that later on into the slide if I get a chance, and or I can cover it in another session with another question, because I would like to get through this question as soon as we can. So that was one of the facts. Another fact I need to remember is within polygons is that, so fact number two is sum of interior angles. So this one is interior angles in any polygon again, okay? In any polygon is a formula of n minus 2 times 180, whereas n is number of sides. Okay, there's one more fact I would like to tell you about, and that is fact number 3. And fact number 3 is an interior angle. I'm just going to put int as an abbreviation. An interior angle, angle plus an exterior angle is always 180 degrees. Why is that? Because they are on a straight line. This is because, let's just quickly write why, because they are on a straight line. And we know that angles on a straight line add up to 180. So for example, if I had, let's say, a polygon, this polygon doesn't look very healthy. Let's make it looking more defined here. Okay, that's better. So this angle here is my exterior angle. So this is exterior exterior angle, okay, and the one inside, of course, is my interior angle. Okay, so back to this question, they are talking about the size of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 11 times the size of each exterior angle. So let's go and draw that polygon. We're just going roughly to sketch it for ourselves to give us an idea. So if, let's say, this was my regular polygon, part of it, I don't know how many sides it has, and they are saying the exterior angle, if I call it x, and the interior angles is 11 times x. Well, from fact number 3 that we discussed earlier, this fact here, we know an interior angle. So this is fact number 3. We know 11x plus x going to equals to 180 because interior angle and exterior angle are on a straight line. So therefore, if I collect my like terms, I have 12x equaling 180, and then I need to divide both sides by 12. So I'm going to divide by 12, and that will give me x equals 15. Let's just double check that. And sorry, that will give me 15. So this is very useful information. This is the size of one exterior angle. Size of an exterior angle. Now, since we were told this is a regular polygon, i.e. all the sides are equal to each other, all the angles are equal to each other, we can use our fact number 1 in order to find the number of sides, because in a regular polygon, number of sides it can be calculated using the sum of exterior angles. Why is that? Because in polygons in general, number of exterior angles equals to number of interior angles equals to number of sides. This fact is really important and useful. So therefore, now I am going to use this information. So I am going to take this information plus fact number 1, and I am going to come up with this conclusion of, excuse me, sorry, I forgot that I have gone off the page. So I am going to come up with the conclusion of number of sides equals to number of exterior angles, which would equal to 360 divided by 15, because we will have n, if you want to think about it, 15 degrees exterior angles. So therefore, if I do 360 divided by 15, I will get the number of sides, and that will give me 360 divided by 15, 24. So the question was, how many sides our regular polygon would have if we had this condition? The answer would be 24 sides. So 24 sides. I hope this kind of little fast recap of angles in polygon help you. So please always remember the 3 facts about polygons, angles within polygons. It's very important that we remember it's the sum of exterior angle or sum of interior angle. That's really is important. Normally, majority of students ignore the fact that it says sum of exterior angle, sum of interior angles. So please, please, please do not forget about the sum of angles. Another point we need to remember is one exterior angle plus one interior angle always add up to 180 because they are on a straight line. Okay, so please remember, this is when you take the interior angle and the adjacent exterior angle. Don't go and if you have a regular polygon and take let's say a different interior angles and add the other exterior angle to it. Just remember the interior and exterior angles that are on a straight line. Okay. Regular polygons, the word regular is very important because obviously that way we know all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. So this question is one of the questions that does come up in foundation and higher papers in edXL examination questions. Hope you found this helpful, and I will be back with another question soon.